This set right here is designed for the person who's ready to level up their sound healing practice. 2 crystal tones, alchemy crystal singing bowls. We have a 9-inch Moldavite D note with a 6-inch Larimar A note. This is a Grotta Sonora 26-inch gong, also a D note. So this gong and these bowls harmonize so beautifully together. And then we have this 90-second glass bead Rainstick Dreams Rainstick. It's a great place to start. So take a listen and let me know what you think. And this set will be up on the website and available right now.